everyone, welcome to my channel Sapna Simplifies. Today I am invited to a very good restaurant and I'm going to taste the food and give you the reviews about the place, and I have special invitation from Chef Amit, and I'm going along with my driver to this place, and let's see how I want to explore this place. I have been here before and the food was really amazing, but today they are going to cook something special for me, so I'll let you know what it is and how it goes. Keep watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Sapna Simplifies. So as you can see, we have reached the city center and we are going right there. Freemasons, and this is the entry towards the mall. So I have finally reached here, so I'm on my way to Freemasons. This mall is quite beautiful, as you can see. So we have Chef Amit Tirkania, and he has made something special. Can you just tell me what this is?
This is basically chicken arancini based on Italy. It's basically rice dumpling which will be stuffed with some chicken and mushroom and some sort of cheese inside. And that is crumbed with panko, which is Japanese. And I'm served with some mushroom fondue.
Wow, it's looking amazing, and it tastes also out of this world. It's really nice. This is called Winter's Wonderland.
It's basically vodka and Baileys, which is blended, and some cashew nut and sprinkled some mint powder on top.
This is really nice, and I have not tasted this one yet, but can you just...
This is basically chimichurri fish, a dish from Argentina.
Okay.
This has more the parsley, garlic, chili flakes, some of red wine vinegar, and that's wrapped with some lettuces.
It's looking amazing. I'm yet to taste, but it's really nice. Guys, the food is really amazing and I feel super special. So Chef, what is this?
Chocolate mousse.
Thank you for the most awesome time, and it was really nice tasting all your food. Thanks. I hope you will invite me again.
Yeah, again and again.
Thank you so much. But the food was really nice, and special thanks to Chef Amit. Tanya, yeah. I always forget that. But anyways, you have magic in your hands, and your food is really tasty.
And the magic is more inside your mouth.
I hope you can transfer the magic to me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.